Good morning, people. Good morning. This is what, Wednesday morning after the hurricane. Look what the hurricane do with me plant. Boy, me I tell you, this no encourage me at all. The one here shoot, the one here still stand up. But then one here butter down. And look how they pretty, guys. And me I show you them how them pretty. Mighty God. Me not even know if today is Wednesday. Because the day then through the breeze and the whole of excitement. Not even remember the days of the week. See me four coop them there. Stand up same way. Me lay a coop there. Stand up same way. See two plant them one as we shoot. They fall on the ground. We chop them off, but the one that still stand up. And the jelly tree then still there. After a storm, must be a calm. See some of my jelly then still in the tree the same way. Wow. Look at my ground, guys. Look at my ground. And the corner was so pretty. Everything flat. This not encouraging at all. Now me have to go plant over back again. Anytime I read September, October, me not do no more planting. See what the hurricane do. See what the breeze do. Everything flat. When me plant. A 1 and 2 okra still up there. 1 and 2 okra still up there. And 2 of the pepper tree then still left. But the okra tree then get some batteration from breeze. See one pepper here. Me the plant still there, but you small is still there. See me. There, everything down. And the corn them they almost ready, you know, guys. The corn them did almost ready. Corn still like when banana shoot and it drop a ground and it still full up. Corn stay so. Everything lose. The song say, too much to gain, to lose. After me bend me back and dig and fork and do all kind of something on this place. And this me getting at the result with the breeze.